When the COVID-19 pandemic hit the Philippines in 2020, there was only one subnational laboratory in Mindanao that had the capacity to receive and test COVID-19 specimens. In addition, the available COVID-19 specimen transportation options from the collection sites to the testing laboratory were limited and not safe nor secure. The laboratory was struggling to cope with the increasing testing demand, which was aggravated by the restricted mobility due to the local authorities' series of lockdowns and curfews. IDDS, as an emergency response project, worked closely with the local relevant authorities from different sectors to promptly develop and implement a customized COVID-19 specimen transportation and referral system through formulating and mobilizing field teams to provide speedy and safe specimen transport services in 4 provinces and 1 chartered city in Mindanao. Once the specimens were packaged, 5 IDDS mobile teams equipped with their respective drivers and vehicles dedicated for specimen transport transported the specimens to the subnational laboratory for COVID-19 testing. As the pandemic evolved, the project expanded the specimen referral system to a total of 10 provinces and 2 chartered cities, 15 COVID-19 testing laboratories, 11 field implementation teams, and 5 mobile swabbing teams. Additional modes of transportation, such as boats, planes, and any other available local transportation means, were incorporated to reach places not accessible by car. Our field implementation team successfully transported 62,361 COVID-19 specimens, and our mobile swabbing teams have collected over 21,891 COVID-19 specimens during mobile swabbing activities supported by the IDDS project. Through timely and safe specimen referral, IDDS managed to reduce the turnaround time for specimen transport to receipt in the laboratory from a baseline of 72 hours to 25 hours on average. In some sites, the turnaround time decreased to an average of 23 minutes. We increased access to timely COVID-19 testing to over than 26 million people.